You are going to love the 2023 Macan. The Porsche Macan is built for an intensive life in which the thirst for experience and thrills are ever present. It comes with a tremendously dynamic performance, luxurious interiors, and amazing safety features. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, power liftgate, passenger airbag, Bluetooth, driver airbag, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, anti-theft security system, center armrest, premium sound. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.